Hi there guys, hopefully you're all doing well. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Behind me we have this very sorry Alfa GT 3.2 V6. So let's have a look around it and see if it's worth saving. So unfortunately this car came into me as a breakdown. This coolant hose down here had split, and unfortunately the customer hadn't noticed, and he has let the engine overheat and it is in a very poorly state. And those that follow the channel regularly have seen that I put this up for sale to try and sell it for the customer for, I think it was about £2 grand. But unfortunately, it had no takers. So me being super stupid has bought it off the customer. And it's down to me to see if it's worthwhile repairing it, or should I break it? Because, you know, the wheels are worth a fair bit of money. The engine in parts is worth a fair bit of money. The ECU is worth a stupid amount of money. So technically, I could probably make several £1,000s just by breaking this car. But you know me, I don't do things like that, do I? I don't like breaking cars anymore. So I'm going to put this to you guys. Is this worth repairing? Before I start it, let's have a walk around it and see what condition it's in. Alloy wheels look pretty good. Brake calipers are pink, but they can be painted quite easily by hand. The rest of the bodywork appears in good shape. We've got a little bit of a bend on the sill down there, but I have checked it, there isn't any rust coming through. I did see a little dink up here earlier, so if that will get left as it is or sorted out. Rear wheel is fine, it's got Yokohama tyres on it. Rear bumper, although dirty, seems okay. Oh, although it does need a bit more paint there. Rear lights are in good condition. The rear badge is actually pretty good. Again, that tyre is curb free and another decent Yokohama tyre. Dent in that sill there again, but again I have checked underneath it and there isn't any rust. A few curbs on that wheel there, and again a print brake caliper. It's got drilled brake discs and grooved as well, so they probably cost a pretty penny. Let's hope they're not a cheap eBay knockoff, so they warp as soon as you brake hard. Roof is all good, and bonnet is all good. As I said in another video, the front bumper does need painting because it's just chipping off where it's been painted in the past in several places. But you know, under the bonnet, chrome pipes aren't too rusty. Everything is present and accounted for. It's even got a working folding hinge on the battery cover. Let's have a look on the old inside. We do have another silicone pipe to fit, which came with the vehicle, which costs £72. We have the V5. We've got 3 keys, a massive ton of service history, and I'd imagine we have all the code cards and everything in there, and service history as well, somewhere probably. But the interior isn't too bad. Rear seats are in good condition. No major marks on the headlining or dashboard. Door card is fine. It's got a magic mount on there. Driver's seat, it's not too bad to be honest. And it's done just under 75,000 miles. So what do you guys think? I mean, you know, if that was a running, perfectly working car, you could easily sell that for £5 grand as it is. So, not too bad. Let's start it up and we'll show you what the problem is now. So, let's pop a bit of water in it. I'll probably spill it everywhere in the process. Oh. Okay, that's enough for now. So we've almost got a full cooling system of water. Probably could do with another litre or something in there probably by the time it settles down. So let's give this a start. It is very poorly indeed, so it struggles to start. But, you know, once it's going, it still sounds quite well, but you will notice what the problem is with the car. Now, just a hint, keep an eye on that coolant bottle. the back, it's extremely smoky. As it's white smoke as well, that's telling me that coolant is also getting into the combustion chambers. Now you guys can't smell that, but in here I can smell like a sickly sweet smell. So it is definitely burning coolant out the exhaust as well. So it is a very poorly engine. So it's nothing that I'm gonna sort of chuck loads of coolant in, get the air out of the system and send it on its way. The head gasket has actually gone. I have already done a test for the customer and there is tons of combustion gases coming into the cooling system. So, you know, you can do the half-assed attempt at repairing this by taking the heads off and putting new head gaskets on, rebuilding it, refurbishing the heads and just sending on its way. But I don't like to do things like that. It's done 74,000 miles. So what probably I would do if I'm saving this is take the engine out of it, get it fully disassembled and get it fully rebuilt. Because if it's going in, I want it to last a good few years longer. So it's worthwhile, if I'm saving this, to give it a full engine rebuild. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below, whether you think this is a worthy project of saving and whether you'd be interested in buying it. You know, it's something that can make pretty good content on the channel. So hopefully you will vote to save this one. So thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next video and don't forget to like and subscribe.